Oops. Let's see. There we are. Good morning. God damn it, the last stream, I almost completely snapped. It actually turned out to be when I bundled VS Code. When I bundled Monaco, it actually produced a CSS file. I didn't know that. There was nothing in the documentation about it. So that was missing. And I thought about I should really contribute back with that, but I can't figure out where to actually write that, because the sample I used didn't really have anywhere to like put that kind of information. So yeah, I have a feeling I'm just going to feel bad about not contributing back with this. But yeah, so what I thought we'd spend the next streams on is actually getting just working with the tool and making small improvements to it, and so on, because things are starting to move internally in CodeSandbox on this project as well. And what I actually hope to do is, let's see, I want to resolve this conflict in VS Code. Yeah, what I hope to do is that we can actually work on this at CodeSandbox as a package. And that's where we'll create the initial experience. And then that will be available to anyone. And then when we kind of nail down exactly how it should work, then we start thinking about like a first class concept inside CodeSandbox projects. That, for me, currently, that will be ideal, because then we have a lot of history doing things open source. And this is just a perfect way to like get feedback and get help and insight, and yeah. But what we need to do before continuing our work here, we need to, let's see, we need to resolve this conflict. And what we're going to do is that we're actually going to completely reset this. Yeah, and then we're going to, because there were even more conflicts here. But these are small conflicts, so I'm not worried about that. Let's see. Does it still state conflicts? Oh, why is this useful glade? Oh, there we are. Was just a little bit slow to detect it. So let's merge it again. We have our conflicts. Let's see. Okay. So use shell. We should use transition effect instead. Oh, yeah, let's fix this. Use current change. So it's mostly just naming. There we go. And then we have use register file. What's the conflict here? Oh, it's just imports. That's interesting. So we're going to use, okay, current and current. Cool. Then we have the file explorer, and this, I think we should just have accept both. Or I think we actually need to accept the incoming change here, because and this matcher is from React states. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Cool. And then we have used temp secrets, which is the same thing. let's accept the incoming one, and then we'll change to use transition effect instead. Yeah, and this is, yeah, good thing. It's only the imports that is the problem here. Was that all? Was that all the conflicts? We fixed that one, we fixed that one, that one. File Explorer feature and reducer. Oh, interesting. Oh yeah, shit. Uploading was implemented. Yeah, it's interesting how it's not intuitive, event-based. Upload file. Yeah, it's not intuitive, like using the environment interface. I wonder if it's like we haven't really onboarded that concept. So I'm thinking it's, yeah, it's just me reflecting. I'm a little bit unsure how we're going to fix this. Because now we don't really have, we don't have this anymore. I think I just have to close others, and then we'll have to look at the actual new file, and then we'll have to just move it over. But there's a lot to test here. Let's see, File Explorer. Let's see. So now the use File Explorer. Can we what the hell is this? Split right. So this was added. Oh, we already have that one. This was added. I wonder why these are. Oh, yeah, we'll figure it out. So this was added, and then this was added after Sentry report error. Cool. Yeah, I haven't updated the thingy, but this should be good. Okay, so now we have upload. We just have to make sure it works. And then we can delete it here as well. And then the other thing was the actual reducer. Oh, maybe that was the issue. Is that the only change? Let's see, upload files. Oh, wait a minute. This was in ready state. This is in ready state. Okay, upload files. You got that one, and then uploading is the last. Okay, cool. Great, that should be it. And now we can delete the reducer here as well. Okay, so this should be the conflict resolution. Okay. cannot read, cannot find. Oh, probably have to run pm. Let's see. Okay, so the stuff we have to check is the upload. If the upload still works, that was basically it. That was the new thing coming in. So I gotten an OK on the actual PR. 12 errors. Where are these errors? ESLint config. Okay, I'm not sure why. No verify. Let's just do that. That's like, why? Fucking environment stuff. Why am I getting errors on this? Like, this should have happened. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so what we're going to do while we're waiting for this one, I'm going to see if review PR, is there a package called review PR? No. Okay, so let's just jump right into GitHub, and we're going to change this into review PR, rename, and then I'm going to, what I typically do is that I don't run git commands, I just I just clone everything again, and we're actually going to, on CodeSandbox, we're also going to, remove the project. Let's see, remove from CodeSandbox. Now we're going to do a new import. Okay, that wasn't really removed. That's weird. That seems to be a bug. I guess it's not like a huge priority to... Oh, now it seems to be gone. Just took a little bit of time. Okay, so let's take a new project. Oh, there's so much stuff open. Can I? Oh, sorry, I can do this. Review. Nice. So now we have that there. We're going to open it up and lint. 11 errors. Okay, but at least that's... can I run pm, what's it called? The -- fix? Lint -- fix. Full turbo, that's funny. Let's see, we have... Let's open this one in VS Code as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the name of this to review PR, because that name fits more with everything. It fits more with doing the review and actually like editing the review in terms of changing the history. Cool. What we're actually going to do as well is now we can do. We're going to fix something on it. Didn't it open the run app? Is that what I called it? Run app? Oh. Yeah, it's basically run app. Okay. But why doesn't it? Oh yeah, sorry. This is not actually running the app. This is just running the development flow. Anyways, let's try to wrap up the thingy. Fix linting, huh? Love that. No verify, just push it. Yeah, because dev is no node on this server. That's what's failing. Exited with code 0. Why did it do that? Oh, I think it's because it's not built yet. Like it needs to be built first. And then we can run the app. No, why isn't it working? Why am I not getting a dist folder here? That's weird. Oh, here I have it. Why isn't it able to? There's something fishy going. Oh yeah, it's git ignored. That's why it's not here. But why isn't usage node 1? It doesn't seem to. Okay, let's try doing it manually. Maybe we could change it so that it actually is its own thing. Yarn. Run. Let's see. Server run. Oops. Yeah. That's interesting. Anyways, here we have our preview. Okay, so what I did, like I don't really like how how this looks in the getter here. So we're going to change this as part of the first updated release. Let's see how our now it's formatting. Like, god damn it. Yeah, I don't understand this. Oh, use file explorer. Okay. Okay. Fix formatting. So we're not going to use the tool for this PR. Like I did, I have like an another PR where I actually use the tool for this one. But since this is like reviewed and is okay. I'm not going to make any changes to it, but we are going to create new PRs where we actually use the review tool. And I'm going to merge something today that allows us to actually add that link, that review link. So that's going to be amazing. Okay, but let's look at, is it Charming Bush? Is that one? Yeah, Charming Bush. Okay, so let's look at file content. I really like how little code it is. This is the thing that creates the decorators. And the thing we want to change here is really, we want this to be class name, I think. And then we'll just have to play around with the colors. Let's refresh. Oh yeah, we set a width on this. We don't need these ones anymore. I guess we don't even need this. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Why is this breaking? Oh, no. Huh? What the hell? I'm removing. So this thing is part of that thing, but now I'm removing that, and now I'm inserting. Wow, that's weird. Like this is supposed to happen automatically, Prettier being installed, and it's kind of funny how like it's so little work for me to actually install it that I just do that instead of bringing it up with the team. I have mentioned it, but it's like, yeah, we really need to get into this mode of nice. Okay, so let's quickly test this. So what we need to test is that the secrets work, the file explorer works, and upload works. In terms of the actual code changes, that's okay. Let's run the thing. Maybe I need to build it first, or is it okay? Don't need that one. What's happening with the logs? Build. Compiling. Compiling. Wow, that took forever. Let's see. Okay, so now we have that thing running again. Like I don't like the colors here at all, but now at least it's more obvious what's actually happening. And if we toggle the mode, like this is how I do it now. I just make it stronger to like indicate that. Yeah, and the selection, oh, this is it, yeah. So I think that's okay to do that now. Just make it stronger to indicate that it's selected. Because I don't want to care about colors now. And then when you select it, I think we're going to keep that thing, but it's not going to like replace it. So if we're going to push this one as in addition to if it's active. Oh, we're not going to, yeah, is active. We're going to just push this thing on it, and it's not going to be like blue. I guess gray is okay. Ugh. Oh. Okay, and so we're back in the other PR. I'm jumping back and forward here. So the thing we want to test, first of all, is the file explorer, and I haven't really like made changes there, but I know we have like if I select a file, I think it we have some explorer. Yeah, like collapse directories in Explorer. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Okay, so the communication there works as expected. Like it would completely break if I had and then add environment variables. Hello. Let's try removing one. And let's try blip, bloop, adding one. Just refresh to see that it still works. Secrets. Yes, that's still working. And then we have the file upload. Let's see, do I have an image we can upload here? See if it works. Oh, then we have drag and drop. Oh, it's protected. Sorry, I need to fork it. Oh, let's refresh it. Yeah, toggle mode. Like it looks like shit, but at least. Okay. That's fine. Now that's working. One thing that's not working is like it doesn't actually scroll down to the hunk, and I think that's important. So we're going to fix that. But let's see if we can finish testing this thing first. Okay, public grab. Oh, I thought we got an error. But obviously it worked. That's funny. Oh my god, that's so funny. Do we still have it? Yeah, nice. So that still works. I'm happy with this thing, and I'm going to merge it so that we can continue our efforts. And the next effort here is to actually refactor the file explorer to use the latest version of React states. So we're going to squash and merge this. And then we are ready to create our next PR as soon as we're kind of happy with this thing. So what we need to do is whenever we choose, okay, so we need another layout effect, or sorry, use effect. This use effect is going to be responsible for actually focusing the lines. So So editor ref, and it's also going to use a selected hunk ID. So if selected hunk ID, yeah, if selected hunk ID, we're going to use the editor scroll. Yeah, reveal. Yeah, it's called reveal line or reveal lines. That's the best one. And this is going to be the selected hunk. And that would be hunks find hunk ID equals selected hunk ID. And this, it will always be there, so I'm just saying what's this? I guess this is the start and end. Hunk start, hunk end. Okay, that should actually be it. Let's see if it works. Toggle mode. Yeah. Nice. I wonder if we can actually make it like scroll or something. Reveal lines. Scroll type, yeah. Editor, scroll type, smooth. Oh, using it. Can we use? We can't do this, can we? Can we do this? There we go. Let's try again. So this is kind of going to be our. That wasn't very smooth, was it? Oh well, it's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. So we're going to commit this. Like, I know this looks like shit, but I'm no designer and I don't have improve hunk indication and scroll. So what I need to do, I need to, yeah, first open a pull request on this. Merge. Cool. And what we're going to do now is clone this locally so that I can publish it. Let's see. Let's open a terminal. Okay. Let's open a new window development review PR. By the way, I was it's kind of funny, like with getting more sleep, I also stay up later now. And last night I'm playing SnowRunner, and that game is just freaking amazing. And it just got like a 4K next gen update, and it's freaking beautiful. And driving big trucks in mud, it's meditation to me. It's the only like addictive experience I've had in gaming since I was like a kid, which is yeah, very interesting. But yes, I was playing last night. It's just awesome. Okay, so I think we can just yarn build. And there was something really weird happening. Like yesterday when I was building it, it actually ran the server. Like I had no idea what was happening there. But let's publish this. I need my phone. Let's see. And I'm actually going to notify. No, I'm not going to notify. Let's see. Cool. So let's go in and actually start. We can close this. We can close this. I got so much stuff here. Cool. So let's start a new branch to refactor the file explorer to latest React states. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to add the review PR project also on that branch so that we can actually perform reviews and start testing the tool. So let's see, let's close whatever we have open now. This is an old one. Let's close that. Let's close this one and this one. I think that one's old. Okay, let's open this one. Cool. And I think we actually need to add this in pm add review PR, and we want to add it here in the root. I guess people will yell at me if I do something wrong there. Nice. And let's add the actual review PR, which should just be a review PR. Now the thing is, you also need to be able to run this as the user. Okay, let's just try this. And then as a new task, we'll put that at the top. Review PR. I really want people to start using this. Command would be, I guess, pm review PR. And this is not like run at start. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we inception. Let's authorize. Use transition effect is not a function. Yeah, and this is kind of funny. Like, why doesn't it build? Maybe we could fix that as well. It seems like after install, it doesn't. It doesn't seem to build let's see what happens here. Yeah, CodeSandbox states build. I find it interesting. Or maybe it builds it too late or something. Or is it like we made some changes here, so I'm not up to speed on everything, but I think here we actually have in the build here. No, we just do next build. Yeah. No, I have to ask a colleague about this. But yeah, let's hopefully it works. Let's see. Command fail with command function loader init. Okay. CodeSandbox picture client. Oh, this is bad. Why? I think it's because it failed here, so it didn't actually build everything. Where's picture client? Oh. There we go. What were we doing? Yeah, we were testing if we could actually run the... Yes, wait a minute. We need to... No, wait. No, this is here, right? Yeah, this is... Fuck. This inception stuff messes... is so horrible. What happens now if I run this? Review PR. Oh, fudge. I forgot to... God damn it. Let's just quickly fix it here. I forgot to fix one thing. Publish. Okay, so we'll have to install it again. Why doesn't it say which version it installed? That annoys me. Certainly didn't install the latest one. They have to explicitly... Yeah, this is also something I've noticed. Suddenly it actually doesn't update the files anymore. Like we have a file watcher inside Picture that should create operations when files change and then update the files. So there should be an operation here, but it's not there. But if I reopen the file, it's there. That's not good. Okay, let's close this and try running it again. Oh, restart. Nice. Cool. It's so nice. Okay. So we are going to... I'm actually going to try using this. I'm just going to work, and then we're actually going to use this to create. And there's not that much change to the actual file explorer. So if things go completely wrong, I don't care. We can just do it again. Okay, so we have a file explorer. Use file explorer. Okay, so this is now using the old React states. Let's remove that and start looking at how we want this to work. So first of all, we don't have that function. We rather state action, and then we transition using CodeSandbox states. Yeah, and then we have to pass state and action like that. And then there's no transient state anymore. So how would we do this? Let's see, we need to have state, because we don't have transient state anymore. We only have state. Yeah, we also have to flip the arguments here. Oh my god. Let's see. So we don't need to do this anymore. We don't have these transient states, and all of them just moves to yeah, let's just remove them. So what we have an issue with here now is, first of all, this is actually flipped around. So now we get the state first, so we do this, and we do this, and we do this, and we do this. Then we'll have to look at how we deal with these transient states now. Let's see, let's flip this. Okay. Okay, so now we have that thing. We don't have anything called use events anymore, so what we need to do is rather use effect. And that use effect subscribe and then dispatch. So that's how we use that one. Yes, and then instead of use enter effect, we have use transition effect. Let's see. And some of these will be wrong because it refers to a transient state. And I'm very curious how we're going to solve this. Cool. Okay, so let's look at this one first. So whenever we get a git status or a debounced sync, what we do is we go and run this get latest tree. Where is it? Yeah. So how are we going to do this? One thing I'm noticing here is that we haven't really picked up with the latest API is that so we have like different things here. What I like though is that will be more explicit about. Okay, so let's just do the first one. Picture git status. Where's get latest tree? Okay, so first of all, we need to create a function for this, and it should take open folders, and that would be what's it called? Open folders. Oh, it's just an array of CUID. Oh, update tree. Wow, this was a horrible. Cool, and then we'll shove that into this one, and then we'll say, yeah. So this is update tree, and this should happen when the state moves into it's really interesting. Like some of these things are well, okay. Like you could argue that we just look at these events and then we trigger the logic. But let's see. What we care about is maybe we should have, I think I created like a low level. Did I create that? A low level, or we could do that. Because the point there is that when we want to actually update the tree, it's quite complex. So I could say, why the hell isn't this working? Any. Oh, is it because, oh, the state is any, yeah. Why is the state any? Use reducer, state action. Why is this returning any? Get initial state. I remember looking at this. Why is this any? Types. Base ready state. There's something fishy here. State and action. Yeah, that's true. Oh, I think it's just, yeah, it's just recovering. I think, no. Why is this any? No, what? Is it good now? Yeah, now it's good. Okay. There we go. Okay, ready. So we could say like, what the hell is going on here? What the fuck is happening? Now state is any again. What's happening to this language server? What the fudge? What the fuck? This is horrible. Is it because I have really bad? So what if we rather comment out the stuff That's not working right now. Oh, state reparenting? That's an actual state, isn't it? Why is this wrong? Wasn't... Reparenting, what's that? Oh, that was also a transient state. Oh, fudge. And then... Oh, god damn it. Okay, this is way more tricky. Like, the problem with refactoring is that the mental model has changed a bit. So for example, here we're saying reparenting, and then we're giving the ID, but we actually get the ID now. Yeah, so we can actually just do this, and we can do this, and we can do this, and we can do this, and even this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Hopefully this helps with the typing. Yeah, there we go. So we could say git status. So whenever we update tree. So now we're saying whenever we get a git state, whenever we move to the ready state because of a git status, update the tree, which is exactly what we expressed up here. You could argue that it doesn't really need to like go by the reducer to do this. But the point is that it actually needs access to the current open folders. So if you were doing this like from the outside, like we would just listen to the event here and then react on it, then we would have to like pass the open folder as a dependency here. So to me, it's more straightforward to do this. And then we'll just do the same for picture fs debound sync. Now the typing doesn't work again. What the hell is happening to this fucking thing? But what we could do is like there are multiple places it's here, here, here. It's here. It's here. Yeah, I guess that's it. So one could argue that we could have like a single transition effect that would look at ready, like moving into ready. But I don't think we actually have that signature. Like, I can't remember if I added it. Can I do this? Yeah, I got 2. So actually this is a signature we should have, so that you get like state, action, prev state. I think I have that in Timsy actually, because then we can say if state.state equals ready, and action equals this, like we can call it new state, and the action equals this or this, then run the logic of updating the tree. I think that would be ideal, and we can actually implement that. But one thing is here. No, that it's actually okay, because now we're returning the same state, so there's no transition happening. So that's perfectly fine. And this means transition to the same state. Okay, so let's add that signature to... Oh shit, is that the time? Ooh, let's see. But I think we can just continue. Where the hell did I put my browser? Where is it? CodeSandbox calendar. Oops. Oh, god damn it. I made it full screen. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh, so annoying. Let's see. There we go. So, what does my day look like? Oh, yeah, shit. I have an interview. Ah, fuck. I have to prepare for an interview. Okay, I have to stop. And I'll continue this work. Yeah, we'll just what did I want to say? Well, basically this is what we're going to do. We're going to refactor all these features to our new pattern and also moving to latest React states. And we're going to combine that with the review PR project, so that we use that to actually produce a story, and also encourage my colleagues to use that tool to actually do the review, so that we can start getting some feedback. But yeah, okay. Cool. I guess we'll talk more later. Bye for now.